Does your car struggle to start when it is cold, blow black smoke from the exhaust, and run rough? You might have a dangerously high fuel pressure issue. The OBD2 code P2296 indicates that the powertrain control module, or PCM, detect a high voltage signal from the control circuit of electronic fuel pressure regulator number 2. The computer constantly monitors the fuel pressure sensor on the fuel rail and adjusts the voltage sent to the electronic fuel pressure regulator to open or close a valve, making sure your engine gets the exact right amount of fuel. When a voltage signal from the regulator is higher than expected, it throws this code. Symptoms are usually quite severe, including engine misfires, a rough idle, terrible gas mileage, delayed startups, and thick black smoke coming from the tailpipe because the engine is burning way too much fuel. The main causes for this issue are faulty fuel pressure sensor, a defective fuel pressure regulator, shorted or open wiring in the control circuit, or a malfunctioning computer. Rodents actually love to chew on the warm wiring harnesses sitting on top of the engine, so chewed wires are a surprisingly common culprit here. Fixing this starts with a really close visual inspection of the wiring and connectors under the hood. Look for any signs of damage or loose connections. If the wiring is intact, you will need to use a diagnostic scanner and a digital voltometer, or DVOM, to check for the correct voltage and a solid ground to the regulator. You might also need to connect a manual fuel pressure gauge to the fuel rail to see if the actual physical pressure matches what the electronic sensor is telling the computer. Dealing with the fuel system requires extreme caution because the fuel rail is under high pressure and any spilled gas on a hot engine can easily start fire. Because excessive fuel pressure can quickly destroy your internal engine components and melt your catalytic converter. This is considered a severe code. If you're not completely comfortable working safely around high-pressure gasoline lines or testing complex electrical circuits, you should absolutely take your vehicle to a professional mechanic immediately. Stay safe and get it fixed before it causes major engine failure.